Let's see. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, sausages. Okay. You can't smell it on there. Okay. Salt. Okay. Oh, salt. Okay. Ah. I already been doing that already. Oh yeah, I do that all the time. I ain't fucking around. I ain't got no nails, so and I ain't fucking my shit up. Ah. Removing the fat. I do that with the strainer. Ah. Alright, I didn't know that. Nice. Oh shit, genius. That's these. Oh wow. Yeah, I lost my phone in the water like that. I should have used that technique. Too late now. Now I know. Oh shit. What's up? Okay. Alright. Is that a birthday candle? Okay. Ah, mind blown. Come on. Oh, well, I have a plunger just for that only, just to drain my bathroom sink. Only for that. I don't use it for the toilet, guys. So don't worry. My shit's sanitized. But don't forget.